Robert Glarowitz, naturopath and nutritionist and kidney disease sufferer. I still have my AV fistula from dialysis from years and years ago, and been living very healthy with a kidney transplant, which was only supposed to last 7 years, and I'm way beyond that. And what I credit to is my lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle being that I take care of myself, I make sure my blood pressure is controlled, I take all my medications that I'm supposed to, and I, for the most part, follow a good kidney diet, and I take a lot of supplements for kidney health. And the reason is that they help, and they help a lot. And that's what we talk about here at Healthy Kidney Inc. is good things that you can do to help your kidney, from diet, lifestyle, even the right types of doctors, and getting multiple opinions to make sure you're on the right path with conventional medicine. And something I want to talk about today is supplements. And I am a big believer in supplements. In fact, we make some supplements here at Healthy Kidney Inc. to help with kidney issues and to help support good kidney health. And one of them we make, one of our big products here, our flagship product, our biggest seller, is Kidney Restore. And how does this support kidney health? So we have a couple different ingredients in there, but even if you got these ingredients individually, if you purchase them, they're still going to provide benefits. So first I want to talk about sodium bicarb, and it supports good kidney health by reducing stress on the kidney by helping neutralize a lot of that unhealthy acid buildup. And so sodium bicarbonate, a good thing for a lot of people to help support good kidney health. Now, what else is there? We have probiotics. We have 30 billion per capsule, and we talk in other videos about probiotics. We've got about 3 or 4 videos or so on this topic because it's so important for kidney health. And we have 30 billion probiotics, which are great because what probiotics do, that live bacteria eats up kidney toxins. So that's a great thing, and that's another way that Kidney Restore supports good kidney health. Now we also have niacinamide, which is B3, which helps block phosphorus absorption, and that helps support kidney health because phosphorus is something that the kidneys have to process, and there's a lot of stress from on the kidneys having to process all that phosphorus. So you want to help the kidneys and give it an easier workload, an easier job to do. We also have prebiotics, which help support the growth of the probiotics so they can consume more of those kidney toxins. And everything is in a delayed release capsule. So we license a technology called delayed release capsules from a company. And what it does, it keeps everything intact so it doesn't release till after it bypasses the stomach. And in that way, you ensure that none of that stomach acid is killing off those probiotics, okay? And also, you make sure that good sodium bicarbonate goes to helping the kidney, and a lot of it doesn't get neutralized by the stomach acid. So good product, something you should check out. You can also research all those ingredients. Just go do an internet search and see how they support good kidney health. And a lot of other products we have, a lot of good things, lots of free information, lots of articles, blogs, our YouTube channel here. Check out our blogs on our website at healthykidneyinc.com of things that you can do to be proactive and help your kidney health. Thanks for watching, everybody, and to your best kidneys. Bye.